Hi friends, today we will study about the membership operators. So in this video I will teach you all the things about the membership operators, that where we are using the membership operators and why we are using them. So let's start. Here membership operators are used to test if a sequence such as string, list, tuple and dictionary. So there are two memberships operators. One in operators, second not in operators. So how can we use them? So let's see here. First we see in operators, returns true if a sequence with the specified value is present in the object. So how? See here, I have created there a variable. This is a variable. I have initialized this value into this variable. So welcome to Easy Learn with Dali. So print 2 in A. So now at this time I want to check this one. This statement want to check that this statement is available in A. This one. So this function, it checks that is it available there or not. So if I run it, see here, true, because 2, you can see here 2 is available. So that's why I am getting. For an example, if I get this one just like this, see here, if I write there 2 instead of 2, if I write another thing, ww, okay, so in here if I run it, see here, false, because ww is not available here. Just like this, just for checking the statement we are using the in operator. So this is another example, a apple and banana. Now I am going to check that is it available in that list or not. See here, true, because this one is available here. That's why I'm getting true. So this is a negative, not in. So let's here see, it's a false because it's available here. That's why I'm getting, because why do I get the false result? Because I have used here not operator. So that's why I'm getting it false. So here this is the if statement, but still I haven't taught you about the if statement. So in coming videos I will let you know about the this statement. So now for using these operators, I have written the statements of if. So I have created the list. There I have given the values 1 2 3 4 5. This is a list. The elements are 1 2 5. So here I am checking if A in list A, which are A, C, A is 10, B is 20, C is 2. So now I am checking if A in list, so print line 1, A is available in the given list. So this will be print if A will be available in list. Okay, so now otherwise line 1, A is not available in the given list. Otherwise if 10 is available in the list, then this will be printed. If 10 is not available in the list, then else statement will be printed. So I will let you know about the statement, but now at this time I'm going to let you know about the statement, but that what have I written there. So now B not in list. So which is B value? See here, B is not in list. So print line 2, B is not available in the given list. If B is not available in this list, then this will be printed, this one. But if B will be available, then this will be printed only. B is available in the given list. So now C is 2. So if C in list, print line 3, C is available in the given list. If C will be printed available in this list, then this will be printed, because if C is available there, definitely I will get the result of this one. So let's see how will it work. So if I run it, see here, A is not available, because you can see here 10, this one. See here, in this list 10 is not available. That's why I'm getting this statement. See here, this one, line 1 A is not available, line 1 A is not available. So now line 2 B is not available in the given list. B, what's the value of B? 20. You can see 20 is also not available there. So that's why I'm getting a B is not available there. Now C is available in the list, because you can see here C is equal to 2. You can see here 2 is available. That's why I'm getting a 2, because it's a true condition. That's why I'm getting. You can see here 2 has also two conditions. One, line 3 C is available in the list. If I get the same input from the list, then I will definitely get this output. If C is not available in the list, then I will get this one. So at this time I got the 3 outputs are different. So now you have understood about the in operator and not operator. So that's where we can use them. So now I'm going to teach you about the not in operator. Returns true if a sequence with a specified value is not present in the object. It means that when we are using the not operator, because if there is a no element available in the list or any dictionary. So see here, I have created a variable, this one. So welcome to Easy Learn with Dali. So I am going to find this one. Okay. So I have written a statement, print sub not in A. It means that this one is not available in this one. So this condition is definitely true, because sub is not available in the this string value. So if I run it, I will get the result true. You can see here. But if I run this one, you can see X is equal to apple and banana. I have created a list. So I am finding a print pineapple in X. Definitely pineapple is not available there. That's why I will get the output false. See here. So with this way, you have to just practice on them, as you can understand deeply that what am I teaching you. Okay. So now see here, X is equal to apple and banana, pineapple not in X. So this is a true statement. See here. So these are the true statements. So this way you can use the in operator and not operator. I have totally from basic to advanced, I have told you about the in operator and not operator. So I hope so that you have understood this lecture, and after watching this video, so please like and subscribe and comments. Thank you so much.